Hi, Chris McClune here with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Welcome to this month's edition of Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. It is the June 2025 edition. Well, this month in my editorial, I talk a bit about keeping that big picture in mind. Just kind of a reminder, really. We're living through or we're going through some unprecedented times when it comes to apparatus purchasing with lead times and costs and national level noise. Right now, what we need to do as fire departments and the fire service is to do our best to block out that noise and continue to look at the big picture. It's all about the big picture. Our rigs need to be repaired. Our rigs need to be replaced. We cannot be cutting back on maintenance personnel. We cannot be cutting back on our purchasing cycles. They both of them have to be done. And that is when we keep our overall mission, protecting lives and property from destruction by fire, in the forefront of everything that we do. And that is the big picture. That mission is the big picture. Keep that big picture, keep that mission in mind, and everything else falls into place. So just a couple of thoughts. Read the whole thing. This has been Chris McClune, Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Have a good one and stay safe.